Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an experiment on respiration in animals, in which we will see that when we respire, during respiration, carbon dioxide is produced by our body. And to prove this statement, now we are going to perform an experiment. But children, before this, let us try to understand the basic concept. First, let us see what is respiration. So children, respiration is the biochemical process during which organic food, mainly glucose, that is present in the cell, break down into simpler substances and liberate carbon dioxide and energy. Now children, try to understand the picture which is shown on your screen, that when we breathe in, then 21% of oxygen is present in atmosphere. Means 21% of oxygen is get entered in our body. But when we breathe out, when we exhale, then 16.4% of oxygen is moved out from our body. Now just try to compare both the datas. When you inhale oxygen, 21%, but exhale out 16.4%. Kam ho gaya? Why this is so? This is because when oxygen is entered in our body, then our body utilizes the amount of oxygen to get or to generate the energy. Because of this reason only, you inhaled maximum oxygen in utilized oxygen to generate energy. Tabhi only 16.4% oxygen is released from our body. Now let us talk about carbon dioxide. Children, when we inhaled carbon dioxide, 0.04% from the air, but our body released carbon dioxide around 4.4%. यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो 0.04 से लेकर के 4.4% तक ऑक्सीजन बढ़ गई, right? Now why this has happened? Because carbon dioxide is continuously produced within our body cells during respiration. So this is the equation, this is the chemical equation of respiration, in which it is clear that carbon dioxide is generated during respiration. So when we respire, our body produces carbon dioxide. इसलिए when we exhale, यानी when we breathe, that time some amount of carbon dioxide that becomes 4.4% from 0.4%, right? Now children, our air also consists of water vapors, यानी पानी की भी मात्रा होती है जिसे हम moisture कहते हैं, right? When we breathe in, water vapor also moved in, but in a very little quantity. And children, when we respire, means during respiration, a lot of water is generated in our body. It is clearly shown in the picture. It is clearly shown by this equation. That is why we exhale water vapors a lot, right? Some of the water vapors are also move out from our body. Now children, keep all these points in your mind. Now before conducting experiment, let us understand some more points. Like how we determine that carbon dioxide is there or not. Means carbon dioxide gas कहीं पर present है या नहीं, ये हम कैसे पता लगाते हैं? So it is very easy children. For this we use lime water. What happened? When the evolved carbon dioxide gas mixed with lime water, then lime water turns milky appearance, right? If it happens, अगर ऐसा हो जाता है, then we confirm that the evolved gas is carbon dioxide. जो evolved gas है वो carbon dioxide ही होगी. Now let us see this experiment that when we respire, carbon dioxide is released in animals. So first of all, let us see what are the material which is required for this experiment. So the very first thing is freshly prepared lime water, 2 test tubes, cork with 2 holes, glass tubes which vent at 90 degrees. Now just look at the procedure. So the very first, take 2 test tubes as you see on the screen. Now take some freshly prepared lime water in both the test tubes and cover the mouth of test tubes with double-holed cork. Now affix 2 bent tubes in those 2 holes. Now blow air through the mouth in this lime water as just shown in the figure. Now observe that lime water, after some time, it turns milky. Now children, note the time taken for this change. Now children, this is the chemical equation for this change. What happens when carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide? Calcium carbonate, solid calcium carbonate is produced. So that is why milky appearance is there. Now in the second set of test tube, blow air with the help of syringe as just shown in the picture. After some time, lime water again syringe, there is also filled air which is present, and with that air carbon dioxide is present, that is the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Now record the time taken for this change, and you observe that this scenario, time taken in which lime water turns milky is too much. Means lime water turns milky by taking much time. तो आपने देखा कि फर्स्ट सिनेरियो में लाइम वाटर जल्दी से मिल्की हो गया और ज्यादा मिल्की हुआ कंपैरेटिव टू द सेकंड सिनेरियो. This is so. This experiment suggests that our body produces carbon dioxide during respiration. तभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा होती है और लाइम वाटर जल्दी से मिल्की हो जाता है. That is 4.4%. वहीं दूसरी ओर सेकेंड सिनेरियो में लाइम वाटर देर से मिल्की होता है क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेरिक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम होती है. That is 0.04%. So children, this experiment suggests that the air which we exhale contains more carbon dioxide because our body produces carbon dioxide during respiration. I hope children that you understand the experiment which we conducted today. We have seen that our body produces carbon dioxide during respiration, right? So in that way, the air which we blow out from the mouth turns lime water milky more fast comparative to the other scenario. Now children, you have to write this experiment in your lab manual. Very soon we will meet again with another set of experiment. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.